Hey guys, welcome to the channel, and in today's video I'm really happy to share with you a little secret on how to obtain free courses on Coursera. So I'm going to show you the way, I'm going to show you the course, and because I'm generally a good guy and generally care about you, I'm going to throw in some more courses just for fun. Yeah? Let's get started. So guys, the courses I promised you are on a page called Coursera.org. So when you go to the Coursera.org and you open their homepage, you're gonna land on this site. Here you can search for degrees, popular certificates, and if you already been on the page recently viewed, pages, built-in demand, brand management skills, so on and so on. So what we're gonna do for this specific course is we're gonna type in here Python for everybody. And when you search for this course, you'll see that the University of Michigan offers a course on Python. We're going to click on that, and here you can see the course. So it enrolls for free, but when you click on that, you'll see that you'll have a 7-day trial, and after that you have to pay for the course. So how to get it for free? Well, there's a simple solution to that. Just next to the enroll for free button is the financial aid available button, which you will click on, and here you see you can choose a specific course you want to ask for financial aid for. So we're gonna go from programming for everybody and getting started with Python. You're gonna click on next. Here you see the selected course. The application will take up to 16 days to be reviewed. It should be a lot shorter though. So let's go continue to application. Here you see the step 1 of 2. You have 2 steps to pass. Tell us about yourself. What's your highest level of education? So let's go with college degree for me. What's your annual income? So we'll type a small annual income, let's say 10,000, and we're gonna go with, oh, here they are. So, employment status. Let's go with part-time. So the last thing you're gonna have to do in this first step of 2 is write why are you applying for any kind of financial aid. So here you have a word count of 150 words you'll have to write. So try to be honest. I'm gonna write something. I already wrote something and I'm just gonna paste it 2 times just for the sake of this video, just to show you on a little snippet what it could be. So here it is. I just moved in with my girlfriend and work only part-time at a low-income job for minimal wage. After paying for rent, food, and utilities, I don't have any money left at the end of the month. So this course will help me get a better paying job so I could have the financial freedom to not just build a better life for me and my girlfriend, but also help my family at home too. So thank you very much. Thank you very much in advance for taking this into consideration my request. I'm gonna just paste it 2 times, so there are 150 words. Of course, you don't have, but just be truthful. Yeah, just be truthful about your situation, and that should be enough. Okay, so next we're gonna click on the next button, and here you can select how much you could pay for the course. You can just select 0, and that should be enough. I'm just gonna paste the last one here, and here you should write how will your selected course will help with your goals. So I just pasted the text from the last box in here twice. So you can write anything you want. Of course, there's a word count of 150 words too for this one, and here are the terms and the conditions. I'm sharing accurate information. I commit to finishing my course. I agree to the terms. Please type the following sentence. Okay. I'm gonna copy that. And next, you just have to hit the review button, and it should take a couple days, but your request should be approved. So no matter what you selected on how much you can spare for this course, it's just important that you be truthful with your goals and the reasons why you can't afford this course. So next on, I'm going to show you a couple more courses in IT, AI, and financial management that you could do also just for free. So our next course is also on Coursera, and it's viral marketing and how to craft contagious content, which should be very helpful for a lot of you that are into content creation or affiliate marketing and so on. This course is offered by the University of Pennsylvania, which is a really good university, and the instructor is Jonah Berger. You can look into him and explore more things about him, who he is, what he does, where he teaches, and what he teaches. So here you have the course. Here also the financial aid is available. These courses start it takes 4 hours to complete, 3 weeks at 1 hour a week. That's something that yeah, I think everybody can spare an hour for a week. So there's a flexible schedule. It has amazing reviews. Here you can look for the modules, recommendations, and so on. And yeah, here you have some testimonials from people who took the course and took courses generally at Coursera. And yeah, let's go to the next one. The next one is financial markets. This is a course offered by Yale. You know, yeah, Yale is one of the biggest universities in the whole world. The instructor is Robert Schiller. Here you have, it's a beginner level, rated 4.8. It takes 33 hours to complete. It has a flexible schedule, and of course you have the financial aid available for this one too. And the last one I'm going to share with you for this video is the AI Business and Future of Work, offered by Lund University. It's a university in Europe, of course, but it's a really good and high rated university. The course is rated 4.7. It's a beginner level. Recommended experience, you can see right here if there is a recommended experience, but there is no specific background needed. It takes only 11 hours to complete, and it has a flexible schedule. Here you can see what you'll learn, how AI can give you a better information upon which to make better decisions, how AI will impact your industry so that you can avoid the pitfall and series of benefits, and how AI can help you automate processes and become more efficient. See how employees at companies are mastering in-demand skills. Here you can see some companies that work directly with people who finished courses and degrees at Coursera or at these specific universities. So guys, that would be it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any experience in going through courses at Coursera.com, finishing them, or any of these specific universities I mentioned in this video, please write your experience down in the comments so we can all learn from it. And if you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe button. And yeah, see you next time.